What if your kitchen could feel like a Kelly Wearstler editorial, sculptural, glamorous, and utterly alive, without losing the warmth that makes it home? This is where luxury meets livability, where every surface whispers couture craft and morning light turns ivory into pure gold. Imagine stepping into this kitchen where morning light spills across a sculptural marble island with soft curved edges, making the whole space feel alive and warm. The handcrafted plaster hood glows in honey tones, while ribbed ivory cabinets whisper elegance. You sink into a rattan bar stool, leather trim cool under you, as sunlight dances on veined stone counters. It feels like couture living, effortlessly dramatic, deeply intimate, and utterly timeless. Walking in, you're greeted by a fluted ivory plaster island that feels almost alive with its waterfall edge. The air hums with warmth as afternoon sun paints golden ribbons across lime-wash plaster and terracotta tiles. You reach for a ceramic bowl, tactile and imperfect, while aged brass faucets catch the light. Every surface tells a story of craft and care, making this kitchen feel less like a room and more like a living sculpture you can inhabit. Standing here, you notice how curved ivory cabinetry wraps around you like a warm embrace, book-matched marble walls shimmering softly. The fluted glass cabinets reveal crystal glinting in midday light, while bleached oak floors feel smooth under bare feet. You lean against the leathered quartzite island, brass handles cool in your palm as sun diffuses through frosted windows. It's Kelly Wearstler's glamour softened into something you can actually live in, effortless, luxurious, and deeply soulful. From above, the oval onyx island looks like a sculptural jewel nestled in ivory lace. Morning light floods through the garden window, washing travertine shelves and bronze fixtures in honeyed warmth. You trace the hand-hammered brass hood, feeling its texture, while terrazzo floors glow with gold aggregate. Everything feels intentional yet effortless, like walking through an editorial spread that somehow still feels homey. It's glamour without pretension, pure couture comfort. Looking up, you're drawn to the plaster ceiling's organic relief, coving that feels hand-sculpted just for you. Book-matched crema marble stretches wall-to-wall, warm and luminous in south-facing light. You rest your hands on the leathered quartzite island, brass knobs cool beneath your fingers, while herringbone oak floors feel solid underfoot. The space breathes sculptural ambition but stays deeply human, like wearing a designer gown that still lets you dance all night. Your eyes linger on the waterfall island edge, honed statuario marble cool and smooth beneath your palm. Morning light schemes marble veins, making them glow like captured sunlight. You touch ribbed brass toe kicks, hammered texture surprising and tactile, while a ceramic pendant hums softly above. Raffia placemats rustle under your fingers, a single branch in stoneware adding organic tension. Every detail whispers couture craft, making this intimate corner feel like pure Kelly Wearstler magic. The symmetry here feels almost regal, twin ivory columns framing the range like palace guardians. You walk between paneled cabinetry in putty and cream, limestone island cool beneath your palms. Antique mirror backsplash reflects golden morning light, doubling the warmth, while burnished brass hardware gleams softly. Dried pampas grass sways in the breeze from arched windows. It's palatial but welcoming, grand yet intimate, like hosting friends in a private mansion where every surface whispers luxury. Walking down this kitchen corridor, you feel the rhythm of ivory cabinetry with carved panel doors, each one a small work of art. Continuous marble counters glow warm under natural light, while brass pulls catch glints as you pass. You pause at the slender fluted marble island, its beige stone cool beneath your fingertips. Sunlight stretches long lines across ivory brick floors. Its editorial restraint meets deep comfort, like wearing tailored silk that still feels like a hug. The angular onyx island stops you in your tracks, amber veins glowing under zenith skylight. You run your hand over lime-wash cabinetry, hand-applied texture rough and real beneath your palm. The hand-carved botanical hood feels ancient and new at once, blackened steel contrasting ivory plaster. Sandstone floors warm beneath bare feet as you admire ceramic art in the arched niche. It's raw and refined simultaneously, pure Wearstler tension crafted into something you can actually touch and live within. Opening the French doors, courtyard light floods in, making terrazzo shimmer and ivory cabinetry glow. You run your hand along the sculptural island, warm white stone polished to silk-smooth perfection. The bespoke range hood's hand-carved botanical relief catches your eye, each leaf carved with care. Blonde oak floors transition seamlessly as you walk toward the travertine dining table, organic edge rough under your fingertips. It's maximalist warmth distilled into pure couture living, where every surface invites touch and every light feels like a warm embrace. True luxury isn't about excess. It's about intention. When you layer warm ivory tones with sculptural forms and tactile textures, you create a kitchen that feels both editorial and deeply personal. Let this be a reminder that glamour and comfort aren't opposites. They're perfect partners.